Good afternoon, I'm Grady Wolfe, a market analyst with Bell Direct, and this is our closing bell for Tuesday the 30th of August. Well, the Australian market regained some ground on Tuesday, closing the session 0.5% higher as investors piled back into technology stocks, giving long-term tech shareholders a brief sigh of relief. Energy stocks also rallied again during today's session. Just a day after reporting FY22 results and consequently facing a sharp sell-off, Mineral Resources led the gains on the ASX today as investors bought into the mining company, following CEO Chris Ellison sharing the company's vision to build a battery manufacturing plant in Western Australia over the next couple of years. Mineral Resources also announced it is pushing ahead with the $3 billion Onslow Iron Ore project with the backing of China's biggest steelmaker through a joint venture, Red Hill Iron, to open a major new iron ore province in Western Australia's Pilbara region. The A2 Milk Company also jumped more than 6% today, also after releasing strong FY22 results yesterday. On the losing front, Sandfire Resources shares came under fire today as investors digested the copper miners' FY22 results today. Despite reporting record sales revenue of $922.7 million, investors were more focused on the company's scrapping of its final dividend this financial year, which led to that sell-off in Sandfire stocks today. Ramelius Resources stocks were also sold off today, closing the session down at more than 5%. Now, the most traded stocks by Bell Direct clients today were BHP, Core Lithium and Polynovo. On the economic data front today, Australian building permits data for July was released, showing a decline of 17.2%, which significantly exceeded the market's expectations of a 2% decline, indicating the country's building industry remains in crisis mode. Private house approvals data for July in Australia was also released today, also showing a decline from June, but it was actually a rise in July of just 0.7%, which beat market expectations of a 0.5% rise. As for what to watch overnight, well, US house price index data for June is released, as well as JOLTS job openings data for July in the US. And that's your closing bell wrap this Tuesday. Thank you for your company and stay tuned for our morning bell in the morning ahead of yet another busy trading day.